locations impacted include Murraysville, Richwood, and Plain City. In addition, Byhalia, Raymond, State Route Fred, State Route 161, Rosedale, Somersville, Broadway, Milford Center, and Chuckery are near the path of these storms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford County, Marion County, Morrow County, Seneca County, Wyandotte County until 1 a.m. At midnight, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Fostoria to 16 miles southwest of LaRue and moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Upper Sandusky, Tiffin, Sycamore, Marion, Bucyrus, Mount Gilead. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now looking